Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pie Spatula Server is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, and today, we're diving deep into why you need one. We'll explore what makes a great Pie Spatula Server, examining crucial features like blade flexibility, handle ergonomics, and overall durability to help you pick the perfect tool for serving your delicious pies with ease and elegance, minimizing mess and maximizing that perfect slice presentation. Get ready to discover the secrets to effortlessly serving pie like a pro. Number 5. Orblue Pie Server. Introducing the Orblue Pie Server, featuring serrated edges on both sides for perfectly smooth slices every time. It's designed for both right and left-handed users. This pie server is crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel. It's built to last and withstand daily use in your kitchen. The comfortable, ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making serving a breeze. Enjoy effortless slicing and serving. Cleaning up is a snap. It's completely dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. It's more than just a pie server. Use it for cakes, pizzas, or any dish that needs a clean, precise cut. Add this versatile and durable tool to your kitchen essentials. It will quickly become one of your favorite serving utensils. What we like? It has serrated edges on both sides, so it's perfect for both right and left-handed users. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability. If you value comfort and versatility, this is the pie server for you. What people say? It's well made and has a nice grip while holding, slicing, and transferring a slice of cake pie to your plate. The Orblue Pie Server is sturdy, has sharp cutting edges and is attractive for any kitchen decor. Serrated edges. Good quality. Perfect size. Number 4. 4-piece Pie Server Set. This set includes 2 serrated cake servers and 2 serrated spatulas, providing everything you need for serving your favorite desserts. It features 2 shapes, a triangle for pies and cakes, and a rectangle for brownies, lasagna, and more. They're perfect for any occasion. Made from durable stainless steel, they're rust-proof, easy to clean, and built to last. Enjoy effortless serving for years to come. With a 10.2-inch blade and a comfortable 4.8-inch handle, it's the perfect size for easy handling and serving of various pastries. This elegant set makes a thoughtful gift for friends and family who love to bake and entertain. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like? This set includes 2 differently shaped servers, offering versatility for various desserts. Both are made from durable stainless steel. If you need a practical and versatile set for all your dessert needs, this is the one for you. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Pie Server. This innovative server makes serving your favorite pies and quiches effortless. Its flexible nylon head glides easily under even delicate slices. It's designed to be safe for your non-stick cookware and bakeware, protecting your investment. No more worrying about scratching your pans. With heat resistance up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it can handle even the hottest dishes straight from the oven. It's perfect for serving warm pies and quiches. The serrated edges on both sides make it comfortable for both right and left-handed users. Everyone can easily serve with precision. It features a soft, comfortable, non-slip handle for a secure grip. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Serve your favorite baked goods with ease and precision using this versatile tool. Enjoy perfectly portioned slices every time. What we like? Its flexible nylon head is perfect for lifting delicate slices without damaging your cookware. It's also non-stick safe and heat resistant. If you're looking for a gentle, non-stick safe option, this is ideal. What people say? Works great for all non-stick cookware. Slices pie, cake, and quiche easily. Between the serrated edges and its flexibility, he is finding it very useful. Feels sturdy, I'm not worried about bending it by accident. Head piece also feels well secured, so I'm sure it will last quite a while. Number 2. KSENDALO Pie Server. It's made from premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The elegant silver finish will complement any table setting. This isn't just a spatula, it serves, cuts, and presents your desserts beautifully. Use it for cakes, pies, pizzas, anything you like. Elevate your next party with this elegant serving tool. It's perfect for weddings, birthdays, or any festive gathering. It's small and easy to handle and store, yet it's big on functionality. The lightweight design makes serving effortless. This makes a great gift for friends and family who love to bake or host. It adds joy and convenience to any serving experience. What we like. Made from premium SUS 304 stainless steel, it's built to last and looks elegant. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and store. If you appreciate quality and style, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This servers were the perfect size to serve 1/8 of a pie. Sturdy also. This an excellent server. It is just the right size for pie and cake slices. I appreciate its simple yet classy looks. The server is good quality. These servers are sleek and very easy to hold. Number 1. Fox Run Baking Spatula. It's the perfect tool for holidays, special occasions, or everyday use. Cut and serve your favorite cakes, pies, or quiches with ease. Made of beautiful polished stainless steel, it's built to last. The one-piece construction ensures durability for years to come. The serrated edge makes cutting through even the most delicate desserts a breeze. No more struggling with a knife and spatula separately. This versatile tool cuts and serves with ease. It's perfect for all your baked goods, saving you time and effort. Cleaning is a snap. It's top-rack dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleanup. Enjoy more time with your guests and less time cleaning. At 9.75 inches long and 2 inches wide, it's the perfect size for serving. It's comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. What we like. It's constructed from beautiful polished stainless steel and has a serrated edge for easy cutting. It's also a 2-in-1 tool, combining cutting and serving. If you want a durable, efficient, and elegant tool, this is for you. What people say. 1 serrated edge. Very nice, good quality. I like that the edge will cut through pie crust with ease. Works great for slices of cheesecake, cake, and firm pies like pumpkin, lemon meringue, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.